Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Camry engine air filter. This is an easy method that anyone can do at home. First, make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. You will only need a few basic tools, perhaps a screwdriver or a pair of pliers, depending on your specific model. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Once you have your tools ready, locate the large black air filter housing, usually on the passenger side of the engine bay. There are typically 4 to 6 clips or a few screws holding the cover in place. Gently unclip or unscrew these fasteners. Then, carefully lift the top half of the airbox. Take a moment to observe how the old filter is seated. This will help you install the new one correctly. With the housing open, you can now easily remove the old, dirty engine air filter. It might be quite dusty or have leaves and other debris. Before inserting the new filter, take a moment to wipe out any dirt or debris from inside the airbox with a clean cloth. Then, carefully place the brand new air filter into the housing, ensuring it sits flush and matches the orientation of the one you just removed. Finally, carefully lower the top cover of the air filter housing back into place. Make sure all the edges align perfectly to create a tight seal. Reattach all the clips or screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are fastened securely. This simple, 10-minute task, performed every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, helps your engine breathe better, leading to improved fuel efficiency and overall performance. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.